crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Cricut Basic How-Tos. Today I'm going to talk about the mix and match key found right up here in the modes buttons. The mix and match mode allows multiple creative features or the flip function to be applied to only certain characters selected on the display screen. Okay, what you need to remember is you pick the character you want to cut first and then the function you want to cut it in with the mix and match button. So I'm going to pick the letter A and make a sign out of it. And I'm going to pick the letter M and make the slotted tag out of it. And I'm going to pick the letter Y and make a charm out of it. And that is the mix and match button, where you can mix and match different characters and different function buttons over here. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at salehandmadeproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.